To understand how to follow an AI workflow tutorial in Artlist AI, it is important to know that Artlist does not use a separate in-app tutorial section. Instead, the workflow is integrated directly into the AI toolkit, where users create images, videos, music, or voice content step by step. For a more detailed explanation of how the Artlist AI toolkit and its workflow system works, you can refer directly to the official Artlist blog here, https://artlist.io/blog/how-to-use-artlist-ai-toolkit. This guide explains how the toolkit is structured and how each creation process naturally forms a workflow as you build your content. To begin using the workflow in practice, open Artlist AI and go to the AI toolkit from your dashboard. From there, choose the type of content you want to create, such as image generation or video generation. Each tool follows the same general workflow structure, which makes the system easy to learn and repeat. Next, select a model that matches your creative goal. After choosing a model, enter a detailed prompt describing the image or video you want to generate. This prompt is the core of the workflow, as it directly guides how the AI interprets and builds your output. If available, you can also upload reference images to guide the style or composition of your result. This helps the AI better understand visual direction, especially for consistency in characters, branding, or specific aesthetics. After that, adjust the available settings such as aspect ratio, resolution, or video duration depending on the tool you are using. These settings refine how the final output will be structured and displayed. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The AI will process your inputs and produce results based on the workflow you just followed. You can then review the output, make adjustments to your prompt or settings, and generate again if needed. This entire process is what Artlist refers to as an AI workflow. Instead of relying on separate tutorial steps, users learn by working directly inside the toolkit and repeating the creation process. For a full explanation and official breakdown of how this system works, you can read the Artlist AI Toolkit guide here, https://artlist.io/blog/how-to-use-artlist-ai-toolkit. And that's how you follow an AI workflow in Artlist AI. Open the AI Toolkit, select your tool, build your prompt, adjust settings, generate your content, and refine your results while using the official Artlist guide as your reference.